Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video of functional programming series. Combine an array into a string using the join method. The join method is used to join the elements of an array together to create a string. It takes an argument for delimiter that is used to separate the array elements in the string. Here is an example. We have array containing two elements and we are using join on that array with the delimiter of a space. str would have value of the string hello space world. In this case means both elements are separated by a space. Task for this challenge: use the join method among others inside the sentencify function to make a sentence from words in the str. The function should return a string. For example, I hyphen like hyphen star hyphen wars would be converted to I like star wars with a spaces in between them. For this challenge, do not use the replace method. Okay. In that case, we have to return string. So first we will split using hyphen and then use join and it will be spaces. Let's run the test. Okay, it in this case it can be any of the none word. So let's go with the regular expression. I was only checking for dashes previously, so let's run the test and it's successful. Download my solution and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.